Hey, Chuck. See me before you leave, will you?
Oh, did you? Is that your new radio? Or did you already bind it?
I already bombed it.
Oh, okay.
Well, we already figured out that it wasn't. Alright, what do we do for vegan?
Are you sorry?
Roy, you got the right directions for your wires? Radio? I mean, I just flew it yesterday.
Sorry, not Andre. Felipe, yeah. We can make burgers when they come. I don't know why. No, not yesterday.
Well, it was hot yesterday. It was supposed to be cool today.
A little cooler. Like 3-4 degrees.
Yeah, it's hot.
That's still hot though.
I told Bob I could be here. I don't have fuel.
I think I'm feeling it worse today than I did yesterday.
Yeah.
I just went for a hike.
Oh, that's different. Yeah, you're already warmed up.
Yeah.
I
I
have.
had this really bad picture of that fuel leaking out slowly against that hot motor, and
Oh,
3
yeah.
or 4 minutes later,
Yeah.
poof.
Poof. Right, that's what I'm worried about. Heat soak cause flames.
Yes.
All right. Ah, what was that?
He's just showing off again.
I think so. Let's just say I'm not tripping
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Did we get it going, Jodell?
When you get all the electronics right? Yeah. It's on 6S. And dude, it sounded like a real
God.
touch and go. That had to be Lenny.
Nope. That had to be Lenny. I get no respect here. No respect.
Hey, you know what though? Way to own it. I appreciate that. Way to own it. Yeah, you should have kept doing this. Hey, could have.
Further away.
You could have said nothing and just waited because you know Lenny's crashing into this flight eventually. I appreciate how you owned that. No, that was.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
That has to be Lenny. That has to be Lenny. Harry, that's it. Bob, we need a shirt. That has to be Lenny.
Oh, big thermal.
Runway. Bug got in my eye.
You guys give me no space. Ah.
I tried to give you a little wingtip, but it didn't work.
Hey, Lenny, it's when we stop talking about you when you're around, it's when you got to worry. Yeah, yeah. Maybe that's a bad day. A bad day for
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Todd, you got a charmed life.
Ah! As soon as I start getting a line on him, he takes off.
I've flown with you before.
You figured it out, huh?
I know when you start zooming in, you mean it.
I've got a couple love bites from you on my plane, so.
Oh, that was close. All right, I won't touch my throttle again.
Oh, it's all right. Do what you got to do. It's okay.
No.
Ah! Ah!
Wow. I don't believe that didn't make contact.
That wasn't you flying long airplane.
Ah!
Man, your depth perception is just crazy accurate.
But I was like 3 inches too far away. Ah.
Even at 100 yards, 3 inches is pretty bad.
Yeah.
I miss people.
There we go.
Oh, yeah.
Victory roll! Woohoo!
That one worked.
I had you in the sights.
Yes, you did.
10, 9, 8, 7,
All right, Lenny, now it's your turn.
Take Lenny
5,
out.
Go for
If I
it.
were you, I'd start worrying.
Hey,
1.
Ray's
Time
good.
expired.
We got about a minute left. We've got to survive for a minute.
Yeah, I think I'm already
Timer over 15.
I'm already over. Still got juice though. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Whoa.
I'm not hitting you over there. I'll hit you over here.
Yeah, really.
Then we can go
Right
pick it
there,
up.
man.
Then we can go pick it up.
That's my time.
Okay. I won't hit you on the way in. That was a good flight though.
That was good.
Landing.
All yours. I'll wait for you.
Wow, that's my first time going down from being hit. I always save them.
Oh, you usually save it. That's right.
Yeah. There was no saving that one.
No.
That one was in.
I tipped you just the right way.
Yeah, you did.
And we were low. That's the problem. I'm not landing it. Go ahead and pick it up. I'm good.
Are you sure?
Yeah, no, I'm good. These are throwaway batteries, so I don't care.
It's all yours.
These are
Ray.
$3 batteries. I don't care.
Yes, fun. Where's James?
Oh, oh, oh.